Alright guys, see about Peter Odobsa. So this tutorial I want to talk about logical operators. I want to explain them properly now. So the logical operators here, now we use now to test multiple conditions, and based on the results, now we see determine how we want our program to run. And three type now they you get the logical or where they use it to they use pipe. These two pipe now, that'll be the symbol. Then we also get logical and where with these two ampersand that they call it two ampersand. Then you can also get this logical not, this exclamation sign like this. So most I would say use all these ones now take understand how logical operators now they work inside JavaScript. So now I'll give a small scenario before I go take explain so that I see how the thing they play well. You know, say now like this our country now they face our coronavirus matter. You know, say government say that they put curfew now, like the state where they now for the state here now they put curfew. They say if government say if they catch you for outside from 7 o'clock for night, or maybe they catch you before 7 a.m. for early morning now you know how you could be because they'll carry you reach big division or maybe any police station will be like say near your size there, you get. So that means that they tell us now say once it is 7 for evening, may you don't inside your house, and may you not come outside until 7 o'clock for morning, you get. So now most see how to use logical operators now take understand this condition now be like say governments don't give us now. So that go do. I'll come this place now I go say VARO C starts, that is coffee starts. So I'll just put the time say 19. So 19 that'll be like 7 p.m. now. That'll be 7 for evening. I'll create another variable now. I'll say C end. That is when the coffee will end. Then I'll just put 7 now. So this 24-hour clock. Because if we not use it now, we'll know if you compare where. No if you say 12 hour now, 12 hour will take compare where. So now we start the coffee now by 7 o'clock for evening. Then we end at 7 o'clock for morning. You get. So government now could see anybody where they cash to this time now. So if they cash you 7 o'clock for outside, 8 o'clock for evening now. That is 8 p.m. They cash you 8 p.m. for outside now. Maybe police definitely they'll carry you go station and maybe go maybe they'll question you what you do for outside. Anyhow. So without do I'll come in, I'll create another variable now. I'll call this one C time. So this time now I'll copy the current time what we did now. So I might just say C hour. That is the hour because I know they compare, I know do advanced comparison here with all these minutes and the rest. So I might just put maybe 10 o'clock now. You see, 10 o'clock for morning. So now, normally now this 10 o'clock now, so they don't do anything now because now normal daytime be this now. The coffee over the wood by that time. And for evening I could just start. So I'll come here now and say if the same inside another condition will go. You know, so normally for now just one condition will they put. But with logical operators now, so if we put multiple condition. If we put multiple condition. And according to this our coffee scenario now, government now does say anybody where they cash. They say anybody where they cash 7 o'clock for night. As in from 7 o'clock from night go up. Or maybe before 7 o'clock for early morning. Anybody where they cash, they go arrest them. You get. So now they don't give us condition now. So that will take right now. We'll go right now say we'll compare the time now. So the current time now, we'll say we'll put some C hour here. We'll say if this current hour now, if it is greater than or equals to, if it is greater than or equals to the time I say the coffee will start. You see, like this, so, or we'll use the or now, or this hour, if it is greater than, if it is lesser than or equals to when the coffee will end. You see am? We'll just come and call log something now. Console.log. If you say maybe arrest the person or carry and go beat division anyone, arrest the person. You see am? Else. We'll use our else now. Console.log. Say not disturber. You see am? So now what we do now, so we dey put two conditions now for inside our if statement here now. You see am? We dey put two conditions for inside our if statement. Then one condition now. Then another condition. Then now we call dey use this our logical operator to the test for all of them together now. You see am? And normally before, if what we test for here now common size to be true, what did inside the if now go run? So what did happen here now? With this logical or now what you go do be say all these conditions where they now say it go first test this one. If this one are false, it go come here, it go test this one. If this one are false, then at that time you know print with this here, it go come here go print this else block. But if you come again and go test this one, it seems okay, this one are false, then you come here go test one, this one are true, it go come here go print this one. So what did the all they do be say, as far as one of all these conditions turn out to be true, as far as one of them turn out to be true, then what did they say the if block must run? And now they look and say, okay, this one are true, then this one are false, the man not runner. As far as one are true, then this thing go run. So now if you see what we compare now, we compare the current hour now. So the current hour now is so like 10 o'clock for morning now. You see how that is 10 a.m. in the morning now. So this 10 a.m. now, so we compare now. So if 10 a.m. now, so if 10 a.m. now, so it is greater than or equals to the time where like this coffee is supposed to start now, which is this 19. You see how? Then we suppose arrest the person. We suppose arrest the person. Or if this same 10 o'clock now, if it is lesser than or equals to the time where the coffee they start, we suppose arrest this person. So if we run the code now, you see how they should not disturb them. Why? Because the two now turn out to be false. You see how? The two now turn out to be false. 10. We compare now with this 19. You see how? If 10 they greater than or equals to start time, I will give the answer now, so now false. 10 not they greater than 19. Then we'll call the check now. 10 they lesser than the 7. 10 not they lesser than 7. So meaning these two things now, it turns out to be false. But if say one of them are true before now, that is one go wrong. So imagine say, okay, time don't go now. We don't come up for 10, we don't do to one do. Time don't reach like maybe 8 o'clock, we see it for outside now. You see 8 o'clock, we see the outside. We'll call run the code. Sorry, I'm not supposed to put 8 like this. It's supposed to be 24 hour time now. So if 7 and 19, that means 8 o'clock for every now go be 20. 8 o'clock be 20. So I say 8 p.m. So if I run the code now, you see how they show arrest the person. They see now, they show arrest the person. So they get the scope now. What did happen now? Be say with the test now. If this 20 now they greater than or equals to the time it's supposed to start now, it there this say okay, this one are true. The same. So whether this one are false, self, you know, concern person. As far as one are true, it don't call run this one out to arrest the person. You see him? It don't call arrest the person. But you see maybe time don't go. The ticket go enter maybe like 5 o'clock for morning. Or those people like see that they sabi the smart or see you get where they run they go. Those people like see the one reduce they just come outside for any morning now see they want jog. Tell them someone not jog that time because we arrest you. So now 5 o'clock early morning don't reach now. I put on 5 a.m. 5 don't reach now. What you go do now? You can call check now. This 5 now, so you're not greater than 19, Abi. You're not greater than 19. So this one don't want to false. But now we can get another one now with this logic of say, okay, if this one now, That is the hour now dey greater than the time where like say the coffee go start. Or you dey see am, or this hour now it dey lesser than when the time it dey lesser than the time where like say the coffee was supposed to end. We go say arrest the person. So 5 now it dey lesser than 7. Meaning you go come out for 5 o'clock now and 7 o'clock. They tell you say if time see there around kind 6 they go arrest you. So now be this comparison here. They say man, you should arrest the person. Show the same. So now what you need to understand about this or they say if you test for multiple conditions now using this logical or, as far as one of them turns out to be true, then any code will be like inside the if block, it go run. But if all of them turn out to be false, then the if block not go on. That and I will come out like run the else block. You get. So this one now for the logical or. You see, I think that be logical or. Another one then now be logical and I'll comment this code. And the scenario I go to that one, I go to that scenario. Imagine I say you get boutique now. You get boutique now. So based on your many activities now, you got to find person like say call they sit down the boutique for you to the help you design. It's also okay. You could give 2 conditions. Tell people also I beg help me find girl like say go sit down for my store for me. And you don't talk and say girl, you not say boy you say help me find girl we go sit down for my store for me, and at least make the girl age like 20 years. At least person be like say don't mature-ish, so that if some kind of sharp with the con the store now, I go fix the put type for different places to get. So now more put one variable now. So the first variable now, so you they require this age. They say the person now must be like 20 years. You see the person must be like 20 years. Then you can come again and you can say now again now you want. You know define boy. Because some for these boys now they are high for money, very sharp. If you can madam money fly. So now you can say the you can say now boy you define. Sorry, I get you define. So you can put female here as the condition. You see you can put female as the condition. So what do we do? If you come here now, so I'll create new variable now. I'll call this one maybe who they call apply. So I say applicant age. I put them as 23. You see then applicant gender will be like female. So I'll say if you see if the applicant now, so if this applicant age, if it is greater than or equals to the required age, because now person will be 20 years now they fine. And would they call firework now, so now the person at 23, meaning this was not to true first. You see they will come and so we'll say and not be all now, and if this same applicant now, so his gender match with the matter they find. You see if the gender match with the matter they find, now which is the required gender, then one log hire this person, else I'll just copy this in sharp. We'll put maybe not be you will define. You see not be you will define. So now my refresh must say it's not say sure I hire this person. Why? Because this one not true. This one not true. You see the madam say they find somebody like say they above 20 years or maybe like 20 years now, and the person must be female. You see so now when they don't give condition like that now, so it means say the two must match. You see the two must match. It not be like the all will be like say as far as one match. The all now as far as one match now turn out to be true now, the code will fly away. But this logical and now so the way they work we say the two must be true for what it inside this if block now to run. this one must turn out to be true, and this other one must turn out to be true before this thing will run. If one of them turn out to be false, the thing not go run. If both of them turn out to be false, the thing not go run. But if both of them turn out to be true, now that time go run. So you might say maybe the person again now, the same, but he age now 19. If I refresh now, it's not go show not be you with a fine. Why? Because now the requirement be say if the applicant age now they greater than or equal to the requirement age, 19 not the greater than or equal to 20 now. The same. But the female that is the gender now, so it equal. That is the gender correspond now. But based on say this one are false, it not call reason with it inside the if block. Now it inside the S block, now I call the run. You dey get the scope now, be. But if we come here now, we can say okay, male. The same if we come here male, I'll put this on maybe like 21. What you go happen now? Because say not be you defined. Why? Because now these two now not the match. So what you need to understand is say the logical or for waiting inside this if block to fly, as far as one of them are true for the logical or, then it go work. But for the logical and, both of them they need to be true. They need to be true for them to run. You get. That's it just be. So if I come and share back to female, then I run it show me say I had this person. Why? Because this one matches one and this one it matches one. You get. So this first condition turn out to be true, and this other condition I turn out to be true. So that now for the logical and. Then the last one we'll talk about now before we end this video, I'll say the video very long now, Seth. Now the not operator. That is the logical not. So that one now say what did they do now just to turn it turn Boolean variable now to the opposite. To explain, I'm not giving a simple scenario. Now, this Boolean variable now, so you know that when I want to say it can either be true or false. So maybe I create variable now. This variable say is married. Put them as false. So whenever we call this is married now for any part of our code now, as far as one are false now, and nothing does change them. The same as far as not false and nothing does change them, we're gonna say yes. That code now it not go fly. Or we decide the if, or depending on how the test and pass, the code not go fly. So if I come in and say if is married, put on for here. I might just copy this one. If it's married, if you just put say maybe she don't marry, else if you put maybe husband never come. So now if I run now, see I say husband never come. Why? Because this one are false. Based on say we already set the Boolean variable here as false. And I tell you at that time we say any for this if now, so as far as what it inside here now true, then it go run. But if not be true now, then now it inside go run. So based on say this false now this if statement is seen now not be true. It not run this one, this one not run. But if we come here now turn out to true, you see and say it close this she don't marry. So now what would they say this not go do now? So instead of false now to call it change this one now to either true or false now, if you come here now, so we'll put the exclamation mark for here. You see now, we'll put the exclamation mark now just before the variable or what will the test now. If we put on now, it will automatically change the value. So if that thing is supposed to be true now, if that condition is supposed to come outside as true now, if we put this not now, it will change that to false. You see? So this one will be like say by default now false now. So as far as we put this not here now, so automatically it does turn out to true. So if I run now, you see I say the show she don't marry. But if I come this place now, turn out to true, and I run now, You see, I say they show husband never come. Because now, what they come now, so they say not true. You see, so just using that like this now. Whenever you see that exclamation mark now, just look and say maybe they write something like not true. Or maybe they write something like not false. You see, so you see maybe year before now, so now the true now be the original stuff now, so the same. So if you put the exclamation now, we don't put not for the front, so it don't automatically turn out to the opposite. You get. So just reason out like this. Continue to practice just one, practice with different test case. Anything like you understand, just ask me for the comment section. I go try my best to respond back. And if the thing never see clear, no worry. After the progress of this course, we will see they create more examples. So we will use everything maybe like see we they learn so far. So I could see the carrying along. But anyway, I share this video too long. We'll enter the next one.